Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a fun, easy dance workout with 4 simple moves to burn fat. Let's get started. Great job. That was our easy dance workout with 4 simple moves. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you one easy move to reduce arm fat and flatten your belly quickly. Just do this 100 times every day. Let's begin. Stay consistent and you'll start seeing results fast. Don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. Bye.